हेलो फ्रेंड्स, योर एकेडमिक सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में आपका स्वागत है।
So far we have learned about the following chapters. See, in the lesson 1 we learned about history overview, rules of use, installation requirement, new AutoCAD program, open and drawing. Open I have explained. Saving the drawing I will explain you later on. Drawing aids in brief. Drawing aids are whatever the things available in option. You select an option, snap, grid selection, this and all drawing aids. And AutoCAD commands, commands that can be typed on the command line or that can be selected from the shortcut menu, and AutoCAD tools used for zoom, extend, erase, and grid setting, cursor setting, and tick box setting. These things we learned in the lesson 1. In the lesson 2, we learned about drawing lines using options primarily to get acquainted. That is just we know how to draw a line and draw perpendicular to the lines, joining lines, understanding different coordinate system, use of shortcut application, and drawing circles. So these are the things we have learned now. In the third lesson, we will learn about the following things. Lesson 3, drawing arc of a circle, drawing rectangular or polygon, drawing plane figures, drawing ellipse, drawing curved lines, drawing tangent to circle, saving the drawing as save and save as. More about object snapping. We will explain all these things. Now let us open the AutoCAD screen. This is our screen. The first lesson today is drawing arc of a circle. See, there is a circle indication is there, and there is also ellipse arc. There is a spline. This is arc of a circle. A shortcut menu. These are all shortcut menus. Here we have, this is the shortcut menu. This is the shortcut menu. And you can also type on the command line just arc. Then which is a conversation program, it asks you specify the start point of arc point, center, 3 points, whatever you need, that will you have to enter it here. And now for this it is more convenient to select the arc of a circle from draw, because here we have all the different options how we can draw the arcs. Now these are the arcs of a circle, not arcs of any other things. It is a part of a circle, we can say. Now suppose we want to draw a circle, 3-point arc. We know that if an arc is a part of a circle, then in order to draw the arc, we need 3 minimum points lying on the arc. So what we have to do in the 3-point option, we have to click 3-point. So then it allows you to select an option. Either you can select a point and an angle. First you can select a point. First point you select, click, and you get the first point, click. And then the second point, you can select any second point here, click it, and this is the arc of a circle. And it is the direction is important here. See, here we have drawn the direction always go in the clockwise direction. So to make it anti-clockwise, what we have to do is the direction of selection is important. See, once again I will draw 3-point, select from here, 1, 2, 3. If you select in the clockwise direction, the arc also will be drawn in the clockwise direction. If you collect the points in the anti-clockwise direction, the arc will be drawn in the anti-clockwise direction. That means, suppose the same here, 2 points, and 1 point is selected on the other side, somewhere here. This is part of an arc of a particular circle of certain radius. And suppose we select these 2 points and some points here, then it becomes another arc, the other arc of this circle. So this is how we can select the arc. How we can draw the arc of a circle. Now, once again you will go here. I will show you 3 points. Select 1 point, select 2 point, 3 point. Any point you can select, you get the arc of a circle. Now, suppose we select the arc in the opposite direction, say in the anti-clockwise direction, like this, we got. Depends on how we are going to select. Suppose we select in a different way. Let me show you how. 1 point, 2 point, show. So here we are getting the arc of a circle. It depends on how much, what are the points we select. Depending upon that, arc is drawn. 1 point here. See here it is already, it is 2 points. Very near to that there is a 2 point is selected, 1 point is selected. So I will draw once again. 1. Very close to that if you select, another one if you select somewhere here. Then there is 1 point here, 2 point here, and 3 point here. 2 ends and somewhere 1 point is selected there. So that is how the arc becomes very big. The other part. Now once again, I will draw. Suppose the complementary arc of this circle, if you want to draw, select this and then click somewhere here and I will say complementary. I will say another arc joining this circle we want to draw. Select 1 point. That is the arc of the second circle lies on the point of this circle. We can draw like this. Suppose we want to draw the arc of this circle, another part of this circle. Then what we have to do is click here, select start point, center. First we have to select the center. You have to type out center like this. Select this, center is selected. This you select, and this is I will explain in a different way. This is we will come to that in a later about arc of a circle. So this is 3 point arc drawn, and now we will come to the second start, center, and end. That is, you can select a center point, you can select a point, and end point of a circle. I will tell you how to draw it. Now, we have drawn 3 points of start, center, end. We will draw it once again. Start. This is the center. You can mark it if you want. Mark it means you can select the coordinates for that from the command line, or you can directly enter the coordinates, and then end point you can enter. Either end point also you can have degree, whatever angle you can give, and you can click on the end point. This is how you can draw. I will draw once again. I will draw, select here. Here we are drawing start point is known, center point and end point. These points we have to select. Start point coordinates we select, center point coordinate we select, and then the cursor will produce an arc, and then end point you click it. Now we start. Start point coordinate either you can enter or you can click on the board on the drawing the PC. Click the mouse button. Click this point is selected. Then suppose this is one, the center point of the arc. Specify the same center point of the arc. So here the distance is being shown and angle is also shown 35. And in both places either you can enter the value here and the length, and also enter the value for the angle. Suppose we enter the angle for 60. So this is the on. And then end point, you can move it whatever lane you want. You can just enter here also, the end point also, you can enter the angle. See, here is shown. So, suppose you enter angle 20. This is the arc. It is full, almost full arc. Once again, I will draw it for information. Start, center, end. Start point, you select a point. This is the center. And then you can click here and enter the angle. This is the arc. Like this, we can draw. When the thing is you have to practice continuously, then you will be able to draw it. And then the start, center, and angle. Here, start point is given, center point is given, angle is also given. So we can draw such a start point, center point. See, angle is being shown here. Say 65, 70 will say 70. The arc automatically is drawn. That means the angle means the angle from the center point to the end points. One line, the another line is this. So angle means this is 70 degree. Angle between these two lines, radius is 70 degree. That is the meaning of angle. So I will erase this. Next, like that we have various options. So other things you can draw for yourself. Center, start, center, length. I will just briefly show you one. Start, click start point. Then length being here, length is shown, angle is also shown. You can either enter and select, for example, enter 1500 and select the angle. It is suppose 87 degree. Then the arc is drawn. And then I will see what we have also. Center and end. Length. So length is here. This is like this. The line down once again. Point. This is length here. We are getting the value see 1600. Arc is drawn. You draw once again the arc. Center, start point, center point, and length. We have to take in the order. Start point, center you can select or add the into the coordinates, select from the touching the mouse, and then when it shows C, the direction, the length it shows from the point, that is from the point to the root. Here you can enter the value, click, and this is how it is drawn. Now similarly, you can draw other things. You can see there are various options, center, end, and angle. So angle between the start point and end point, that is the meaning of angle. I will draw you once, for example, center, end point, and this is the angle. The angle between these two is angle. Then direction, start, end, and direction. Start point, suppose this is the end point, if you do like this. So direction is the tangent to the start point, that is the direction. You can have any direction, 20 degree, 30 degree, you can move like this, the circle is drawn. You can enter the angle here, draw. And where is this? So there are various ways of drawing the arc. If you know 3 points, only you can draw the arc. Radius will start end, and then center start end. This is one I will show you. Center, you can click a point, start, then automatically move to whatever angle and whatever length, to whatever angle you can draw it. This is one. So other things I will leave to you to do for yourself. Okay? Now, we will know about what is continuum. Suppose you draw an arc, say, from selecting 3 points down the line. Then you want to continue the arc from that point. So what you do, you have drawn the arc, then you go to the draw point and select continue. Then automatically it picks up the point. From there you can draw length, angle, everything you can fix up. See, values are there and you can fix up and down. And further I want to continue, let us say. Once again, continue, which is continue. You can draw this way or this way, and you can draw it. This is how. So I have shown various ways of drawing the arc. Basic thing is that to draw an arc of a circle, you have to know 3 points. Either 3 points on the arc, or center and 2 points on the arc, or angle and start point and center point. And the length of the arc, you should know, again you will chord length, and 2 points, end points. Like that, there is, totally there are 3 points should be made to draw an arc, and circle how to continue is also explained. Now, we will see what other things we have to learn. Drawing rectangle, polygon, we will see about that. Rectangle, we know the 4-sided figure with all the sides having equal angle. For rectangle, there is a special icon here, shortcut. See, he has mentioned rectangle. So to draw a rectangle, you click on this, enter a point, or click on showing you by clicking, but you can always enter the point there. Click here, and it forms a rectangle. The corner you can enter the values, or like this, the values you can enter, or you can just click. This is how it is drawn, rectangle. We will erase it. I will once again draw a rectangle. So it is a rectangle you can draw from here also, but you have to select. See, here it is the point. You can select here or here. Easier to select here. Only one option is there. Fix a point. You can enter 345 enter. Here I have entered 700. Then you move it, and here you enter 1000. Other point you can enter -400. Move to the rectangle. So this is how we can draw the rectangle. Suppose this is a small application. Suppose there is a line like this. Say I have drawn the line, and we want to draw a rectangle having the end points of this line. Then what we have to do is select the point, end point here, and draw it. The other end point you can select, and this is how we can draw. Every time I select this rubber shaped icon, this is used to erase. See, there are 2 types of erase. One is, suppose you want to erase the lines. Before you draw lines like this and you want to erase the lines, we can select the lines individually like this, select the lines and click it to erase. Other way is, you can select the entire figure. See, I will just show you how it is done. Other way is, suppose this is 9, 2, 3, 4. Now we want to erase this. So I am showing you select each line, or you can click on shortcut, the rubber shape icon, and W, type W, that means window. That is the people forming window. The cursor will move form a rectangle or a window like thing. Then in the window you have to select all the lines of the rectangle or the figure, it will be erased like this. So in the meantime we have explained. And also somewhere I have explained the briefly about zoom and other things, but I will once again explain these things related to how to zoom. Suppose this is a figure. Let's say we want to zoom. So there are different ways of zoom. This is zoom window. If you click on this, and once again you type window, select, it is zoomed. And suppose you do a particular portion, click on this, select this portion, click, see it's like this. Suppose you want to zoom it further. Zoom is not changing the drawing size, it is only seeing through the magnifying glass. And zoom extent, if you click on this, you will cover the entire picture and the drawing you see on the board. So you can see the entire drawing on this sheet. Because you want to make it smaller or bigger, you have to, that is, bigger one is zoom in, smaller one is, that is nearer or farther, you have to move the roller of the mouse, the central roller of the mouse. Okay? And now the center roller of the mouse, if you press it and hold it, move it, it gives for command pan, that is the entire screen, the entire object is being moved. So I am just doing that. These are all applications of the mouse. Press, can move. Otherwise, there is the icon here, pan real time. You click on this, and now you don't do anything, you just click to the right mouse button and move it. And once again click, it comes to return request, it comes to one function. Once again click or return, it comes to one function. Like this. See. Moves like this. Like this we can draw any number of lines. And then we can erase it. Select all of the figure inside the rectangle column, automatically goes off. That's it. Now, we know how to draw the rectangle. Now, we also know the rectangle drawing plain figures. It may not be rectangle, it may be quadrilateral, it may be parallelogram, it may be any four-sided figure or five-sided figure, any type of figure you can draw. And polygon. Polygon is it is called as a regular polygon. It has a special feature. The sides of all polygons are equal. Polygons may be, rectangle is also a polygon. Pentagon is 5-sided, hexagon is 6-sided, octagon is 8-sided, decagon is 10-sided. So there is an icon here, pentagon icon. If you select this, you can create a polygon. See, we have shown you how to create a polygon. Click on this. Okay, it says 4-sided. If you want to change, you can change 5-sided. Then it gives an option. Click this center point. That is entering the option. Inside circle or outside circle. Inside circle you select like this. So I will explain what is inside circle. Inside circle means the circle passes, the regular polygon circle passes through all these 5 corners. That is outside the circle. Suppose you want to draw inside the circle, then you have to select the other one. The option you get, you have to select the option accordingly. Click once again, it asks you 5 sides, 6 sides, you can select. Suppose I select 8 sides, then it gives you an option, center you have to select. You can click or select the point in center like this, and then it gives enter an option, inscribe the circle or outside the circle. What we have to do is, we have to move it by arrow marking, down arrow marking move, which is circumscribed about the circle. So then, you enter it. See. This is circumscribed circles. If you draw a circle here, it touches all these 3 So it is touching the sides. Once again, I will draw polygon for your information. See 6 sides. Select a point. So inscribed in circle. That is, the polygon is inscribed in circle. Circumscribed above circle. It is the circle inside the polygon. That's the meaning. So here we draw it like this. That means, suppose I draw means circumscribed means, suppose I draw the center line of all the vertex are concurrent. See, all passes through a single point, midpoint of the polygon. Suppose you draw a circle here from the center point, then anyone, if you can't make contact with anyone, so the polygon will be circumscribed. And similarly, in case of inside, what is referred inside? What we can say inside is, for example, in a circle, then we select tangent. Circle with 3 tangent option. Like this and this. Here you can select tangent option. Here 1, 2, 3. See, because it can be tangent to the 3 sides and it will be tangent to all the other 3 sides also, because it's a regular polygon, that is, sides are equal. So now we know about the polygon. Drawing plane figures, we will come to plane figures. So what we do is, plane figures are any side figure. So here our option is only to draw the plane figure by using straight lines. Click on icon line icon. I just select from the command menu and click on select first point, entering or clicking on the PC black screen. Then click one point, then enter the length, whatever you want to have a specification, quadrilateral you want to draw, move the one side, click on that, move the side, and its angle between that and x-axis is 140 degrees, click on this, and another side, length is known, and its angle is also inclined to the horizontal, click, and another one, click, like this, click, and join the end. So this is a 5 figure. Like that, you can draw any irregular figures bounded by any number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to close the part. This is how we can draw. Now I will erase this. We will go to the next lesson. Next one is here, drawing ellipse, and we will know how to draw ellipse. The ellipse is a locus of a point which means such that its distance from the sum of the distance from the 2 fixed points remains the same. That's the definition of the ellipse, and there are different ways of defining the ellipse also. That is, it has 2 axes, major axis and minor axis. The length of the minor and major axis are different. Suppose the length of the major and minor axis is equal, it becomes a circle. The drawn ellipse, there is an icon given ellipse here, and also there is a draw command. There is one command, that is, there are 3 options and 2 options here: center, axis, and end. So arc of length we will not discuss now because we will only come across we'll first discuss the ellipse. So, just center. Suppose you center, that is, you have to select the center of the ellipse first. So, I have selected the center. This is the center point, 14.883, and when you enter the value, you can automatically get different values. So, for example, I want to enter 74 degree. So, see how it is. So, it becomes very narrow ellipse. So, to try a bigger ellipse, what we have to do is center, specify center of the ellipse, say minus 1.6, and other points say 768. So, this is the center. When you move the cursor, the distance, it shows the distance. That is in one direction. In only one direction, it shows the distance. The distance can be in the direction of anything. Everything I would see. Direction is anything. One thing that in all these cases, we have to select the polar coordinates because we want to draw polar lines, that is angular lines. So you select, enter the value there, then click on this, and once you click on this, then the one axis is fixed. That is one radius and one axis is fixed. If you move it, you see how the ellipse becomes smaller and smaller. And another axis, that is narrower, it becomes. So the value also will show how much is distance. So when you have a minor axis length is 5, 397, it's like this increasing. It can be more than that also. Anywhere it can be. So any other point, if you click on this, you get an ellipse. So then it's the ellipse that once again, center point and 2 points on the periphery is required. And now, axis and bend. This is the axis, this is the end. You can move it like this. So once you do the axis, other end point, you can say I will draw once again. Select one point, second point, either you can select this also, like this. Easier to draw this. Okay, draw. So now we have done with ellipse. We are done with ellipse. Now we are drawing curved lines. We will go to that. Now let us see how we can draw it. Now I'm telling you about the curved lines. How to draw curved lines. See, there are two options: fit points and control vertices. So spline is a command. Either you can type this command, select from the draw, and this is spline command here. Here also you can select, you can draw. This is called line ellipse. There are two, I told you there are two methods, two options of that. I've shown you in the draw menu. One option is fit point. Suppose I click on this, we are selecting only points. 2, 3, like this. You have to click, it closes. Or if you want to keep it open, you can open also. You don't have to select it close. So now once again, I open spline, open curve. 1, 2, 3. Close, you have to click. This is 1. And another way is using control vertices. Here control vertices is 1. So it is going to be tangent. One line is drawn, it is tangent to the first point, second point tangent, third point tangent, fourth point tangent. So curve is points to be drawn when you do the points and you want to have a smooth curve passing through 3 points. Then you have to you require this point command. Suppose I will just fix up the point now. One circle center is 1 point. I will explain what is point later on, how to draw points and its advantages like this. See, if it is 3 points are there, it is an arc of a circle. If it is more than 3, it is a spline. It may be some regular figure. Now I am fixing 3 points as circle. Now suppose we want to draw a spline passing through the center of these points. Then you have to select spline command, fit point, select the center. So if you put it to center, the green circle will be at center. The second one, we zoom it if you want, center. Third one, center. If you leave it as it is an arc of a circle. If you move fourth one, center. Fifth one, center. U is the spline passing through which point? Circle assumed to be the center of the circle is the points from where we are passing the spline. Now the next one is seeing the drawing tangent to the circle. We will do it in the next session. Now I am going to close the session.